Hey, to perform the factory reset on your POCO X6 Pro, first of all you will have to go into the settings, then from here enter for about phone, and now scroll until you locate the factory reset. Click on it, and now you will erase the following items, so contacts, photos and videos, apps, accounts, backups, SD card data and other items on this device. So it's highly recommended to remove the SD card and the SIM card from the phone before performing the factory reset. Then you will have to click to erase all data. Now you will have to draw your screen lock method. Just input your screen lock method. In my case, that's the simple pattern, and we have to click to perform the factory reset. And after this 10 seconds, we will be able to click on the next button and confirm this process. So just wait for it. And now we can click next. Now we have to wait for another 10 seconds. So keep waiting. There's like 2, 1, and click OK. And now our device will be turned off and this process will be performing in the background. So now we can just wait for it, and after the reset you will be welcome with a new screen. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.